Alright, so today I'm working on the trailing arms. I've been already kind of grinding everything off. I've just been using my angle grinder, and I've also been using my drill with a few different wire brush attachments. It's been taking a long time, but everything is coming out fairly nice in comparison to what it looked like before. The amount of rust that I've removed is fairly significant, so right now I just have it coated in a spray solution to kind of get off that final bit of rust that I've been kind of dealing with. Just have a rust solution that I've used before, which is either just a vinegar solution, but I also have one that I purchased from the Home Depot, which is just called crud cutter. It's just it's a decent rust remover, but it doesn't really remove crazy flaky rust or anything like that, so it's important that you just try and get it down to as much of the surface rust as possible. Then just hit it with the spray, and then it'll kind of also inhibit the rust from kind of starting back up again, so it'll protect the surface a little bit until I go ahead and paint it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it, keep it nice and soaked, let it do its thing, and then I'll probably just lightly hit it with the brush, rinse it off, and then let it dry, and hopefully by tomorrow I can go ahead and paint these. But it's important that I get these really dry before I hit that POR on it, because POR needs to be applied on an extremely dry surface or else it really won't bond too well. So it's looking good. I'm just going to let this do its thing for another 10 minutes or so, give it a rinse off, and I'll let you see what it looks like. Check this out. So this is the before, this is the after, and honestly it's 1,000 times better. The flaky rust is gone. There is just a little bit of a small surface rust sitting in there, but I'm going to try and get the sandpaper in here, even just to try and get that out a little bit. But in comparison to what we were looking like before, it's just night and day, so I'm extremely happy with this turning out this way. And once this is painted, it's pretty much going to be brand new again. I have prepped these guys thoroughly. I've grinded as much of that rust off, I've given it a good clean, I've sprayed it, and I've went ahead and I've applied 2 coats of the POR 15, and everything has come out fantastic. They look almost like they're brand new. I brought them back to life, and I'm extremely happy with these. For $100 and doing a little bit of elbow grease to repair them, they have come out fantastic. With these brake shields, I have gone ahead as well and just done the same process of cleaning them, but I sprayed them with a rust reformer spray that you can pick up from the Home Depot. I'm probably going to throw a top coat on there just to give it some added protection, but those are fairly done. The camber arms, those have to be cleaned up. They're not rusty, the bushings are good, so I'm just going to throw on a little bit of POR on those, just a nice thin coat to clean them up. The suspension, I just need to wash them down, and those will be done. The rotors will be replaced. With the brake calipers, I kind of want to build a little small table here in the garage because I'm kind of getting tired working along the ground. It's just not too comfortable, and with those brake calipers, I want to give them a nice, clean redesign on them. I kind of want to sand them down and bring them to a smoother texture on the metal that's there, just to make them look like they are more of a, you know, premium caliper. So all in all, those will get a nice refinish. I have a thunderstorm, I believe, approaching, so I'll move them into the garage, get everything cleaned up, and that'll probably wrap up the video for today. I'd like to thank you guys for watching this episode. Please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment if you'd like, and I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully we can get these trailing arms mounted on the Civic. We can get the doors down, get the doors on, and we maybe, if I do have time this weekend, I will see if I can find some wheels, because that is one piece that I am right now missing that I've been kind of searching for, but I've been waiting to see what color. I've kind of been thinking, because I've been trying to find a rim that could potentially match the colors that I have going with this car, so it's been a little difficult, but if I do find some wheels, I might get them on the car. Stay tuned for that.